Guys, come on, faster. Join me now, join. Okay, let me stop the... Come on, yeah, let's do it, let's go. Woohoo. Are you here, guys? Let me check. My entry is on 2368. 01. Okay. Stop loss on 76. Okay, guys. Let's see what is going to happen. On 4 hour it is making an amazing candle. So guys, I think again this is my view, that personally I'm not, maybe let's see how it's going to close on 4 hour, but I will not move the stop loss for now, because I think that there is a possibility that the price tests the trend line again before making some movement. But if you're not sure about it, you can move your stop loss and to protect your trade. It depends. $100,000 in the group, guys. This is absolutely brilliant. Today was not is those kind of days that is no best. When I missed the whole movement because I was trying to protect the trade. Let's move to the small charts now. On 1 hour here we have something like order book, but we have a better one up there on 5 minutes here. So let's see what is going to happen. The price started to return aggressively. This is part of the excuse me, yeah, the dollar index breaks some trend line here on 5 minutes. At what percentage do you move stop loss? It depends, man. It depends. My strategies works differently. Most of the times I can tell you that I wait to see. Oh, okay. This is the guy on 1 minute, maybe. I wait to see a breakout with a whole candle on, let's say, the last bottom or top, but it depends because it depends. Now I saw that there is an order book, so that's why I told you I will not move the stop loss at this moment, because this is part of the manipulation that happen at the New York session most of the times, or also when there are news these things happens. Okay, I can see that there is a big delay. I don't know why in what I'm seeing and what you're seeing. Have in mind, open your trading views. New York is coming. Yeah, it's coming, but let's see if it's for good or no. It's seeing a resistance, but okay. I think if you want, if you have entered this trade, now maybe you can, it's about 20 pips from the entry point. If you're not sure about it, I can stay again. You can move stop loss to break even just in case something happen and pushes the price upwards again, because as you can see they are pushing very strongly the gold, because dollar is not making such a huge movements. Hello, big brother. Hello. Come on, guys. Are we going to see some waterfall? Tell me in the comments. Tell me, I'm super interested. We have some trades to recover from the morning mistakes. Okay, that's a good thing. This is how you should trade, my man, the Chi. You calculate your risk and leave the trade. I now tell you because I want to protect you. As you can see, I take this personally. I'm super I take full responsibility about the trades, about the group, about the people in it, because I know that some of you are beginners and you listen to what I'm saying. That's why I take this personal and I just try to protect you, because in at the morning uh, you see how we managed to catch the buy, but I was not so sure I protect you, and it turns out that it was a mistake. But sometimes this happens. I try to be as transparent as I can. As I said, I take this with a full responsibility, so that's why I'm doing this. If you are wondering why sometimes I rush to move stop loss on break even. Order book. What order book, man? 6-2. 5 minutes. No, there is no other order book here. We're in profit, retrace, then big fall. Whoa, maybe, yeah. I draw the zone, so but guys, now we are 50. I'm 50 pips on profit. I will move the stop loss right now, because I don't see a point being 50 pips on profit and to something to happen and to leave me with losses. This is absolutely stupid. So guys, we are now waiting for a breakout on this bottom. If we see it, I'm pretty sure that we're gonna eat well tonight. Let's see. Okay, the dollar is retracing, but now the question is, If it breaks the bottom, where should the next stop be? What do you think? I think we can collect some profits here on this previous stop, which is 150 pips away. And we are going to see what the price will do here. Of course, we already protected the trade. The trade is running 150. Let me check how much. Okay, we are 65 pips profit. Oh, guys. Oh, I don't know. This is how things works. This is why you should, even if you close now, we are already on profit. No matter that in the morning we had a loss. So this is how things works with trading. Don't take losses personal, they are part of trading. And I'm started to think that we are going to see some huge movements after moment. Again, guys, the price made, let me see, almost 80 pips now. If you are okay with the profit, collect some profits. Don't be greedy. You won't get rich from one trade. Protect your account. Collect profits. Don't be greedy. Don't look at me. I'm used to stop losses. I'm used to profits. I don't put emotions in it. Maybe I try to look at like I put emotions, but this is because I'm live. I want to be interesting. Not because I care. Let's watch it on 1 minute. It's more beautiful. Okay, let's send one photo in the group. How is GXY looking? Let me see. Not good. It started to fall. Again, if you want, collect some profits, guys. Let me post some photos. Guys, after the... no. Actually, right now, I'm going to post a video on TikTok and Instagram. Go and check it, guys. And I hope you leave some comment or like to help me, because we are doing some good stuff here. As I told you, can get into the life, man. Someone writes me. I'm sorry, but why you want? Why you can't? I'm on YouTube, not on TikTok or Instagram. So let me post the video. Okay, I finally found some music, but it's not really good also. Let me send a link. Okay, started to retrace, but maybe the DXY is going to make a test on this trend line. Let's hope we don't get stopped. But yeah, started to retrace and it started to make let's say, okay, let's give him a chance, because I think it's just testing the swing zone. Oh, excuse me. So guys, what do you think? What do you think is going to happen? Tell me in the comments. I told you that it is not a bad idea to collect some profits if your account is small. But in both ways, guys, we have at least 2 trades every single day. Don't, if you want to trade with me, don't overthink the situation, because we have trades every single day. No matter if we got stop on break even and you didn't collect profits, or you get a stop loss hit, we have many trades. So don't even bother to think that something is wrong or something is not okay or something like that, because everything is okay. The strategies work perfect, everything is good, guys. Just today they were pushing the goat and I was like, no, it's time for it to retrace. As you can see, I can show you the trade that I got stopped is on this trend line. The price started to rebound here. Actually, I entered here. I think it made a good formation here, but it continued to go up. So things like that happens, and we are not going to overthink the situation. Let's see if we are going to get stopped right now. Or maybe I should put it like that. Just like a point of view. Did you manage? Some of you, I'm pretty sure that no one collected profits, right? Look, I also think that we are in a very strong bullish momentum right now. But I think that there is where the price can go down to, but let's see if I'm right, or maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. But it literally made almost 8 pips, so In cases like this, I told you, collect some profits, don't be greedy. Don't look at me. I don't care about this stuff because I am trading what I'm seeing. But if your account is small, you should collect. I did made 65. Congratulations, man. This is how you should trade at this moment. If your account is huge and you're used to collecting profits and get your stop loss hit and you are not bothered by this, then there is no problem. But if you are bothered and your account is small, you should, even if the price made 30-40 pips, collect everything. What you expect to make 200 pips? Not every day is this kind of trading day. So 30-40 pips and better for you to collect everything. I want to learn how you code that. Extra trade go cause no one else has called this. I know, man, I know. Also, today I catch the buy momentum from the beginning. If you were on the live in the morning, I catch it from the beginning. I just made a mistake that moved the stop loss too early. And this again was because of the people in the group. I don't wanted to get to have a stop loss hit on live, and that ended up with missing over 200 pips on profit. Even through the live session, some of you write me on private message that it hit the take profit, which means that my strategies, my point of views on the market works perfectly, but sometimes I am a human being and I make some mistakes. Don't worry. Let's see if we are going to get stopped or no. I personally, the price didn't reach my stop for 3 pips, but it's not late for it to do it. First takeoff has been smashed at 20. I am currently on the second takeoff of it to dodge on 15 minutes. But they will probably continue to push the gold upwards, guys. For now, I'm not going to get into buy positions. Yeah, we probably got stopped. Yeah, I got stopped. Okay, it was nice movement, but it's still not ready. They're still pushing it up. Maybe it will return to this area right here. Maybe it will return to here. Let me check this one also. Guys, we are 1009 people in the group. This is absolutely insane. Next week, I'm gonna announce my inner circle group where I'm going to teach everyone who wants to join what I'm looking, how am I watching and observing and analyzing the chart. Also, I will get access for the people there, maybe to my copy trading services, also to some robots that I use, or and maybe Excuse me, I'm watching the chart. Educational stuff, live webinars. We're gonna talk about much of the experience that I have through the years. So if you're interested to learn how I trade, how I watch the market, also I think of I told you of taking a sponsored account, a funded account. So if you want, we can try to pass it together. But you have to know that there we might take up to one trade a day, and it will be some like this one, this trade. When the price makes 50-60 pips, we're gonna close it and not wait for anything else. The criteria to join in our circle, are we paying? Yes, it will be $1.60 a day or $49 a month. That is for now how I think it will be. No, it's not. It's not going to be, because I'm going to put much energy, efforts, and much experience there. So it will be, but it will be nothing for the value that it will give you. So maybe I can put some free trial. I'll see. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I didn't expect that we gonna get 1,000 people in 2 weeks. I'm absolutely astonished by the result. Maybe you guys like what I'm doing. I don't know, but I also like it, like the things that I'm doing. It gives me good emotions. I feel very responsible. So yeah, I think very nice, huge things are going to bring us the future. Ask me something if you want. Just tell me when. I mean, oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Uh, I think it will be next week. Next week, I'm preparing everything, so it uh, so it can be on a world class level, not just some random group on the internet. So no, don't get me wrong. I will continue to do these things with the free group, but maybe not, maybe, but I will put much efforts and more trades in the paid group, because guys, you have to know something really important. Today I wake up very early and I was thinking the strategies that I use are absolutely uh, wonderful. They work brilliantly. They work on every time frame. You just have to know what to look for. I will teach you everything you have to look for, and we can create a community together, because I now don't have the time to watch many currency pairs on different time frames. So if you guys know what to watch, you can watch crypto, you can watch currency pairs, you can watch stocks, you can watch whatever you want, and we can share trades. Even we can share trades in the community, so everyone could have access to this information. That is what I'm hoping to create. Maybe it will not happen for one night, but I will work hard for it, because now I don't have time, because as some of you may know, I am expecting very soon a second child, and I'm a little bit busy. So So I hope that this also, I will have benefits from this also, when we're more people that share same views and same strategies. So if it sounds good for you, then I hope to see you very soon. If it's not, let's give us some time, give me some time, and maybe you will join later. Okay, guys, I posted a video on TikTok. Also, I am uploading it right now in Instagram. So you can go and hit one like. So how do we pay 160? No, 160 because it sounds good. But it will be $49 a month. Which I think it's absolutely nothing. Yes, I will, man, I will. I will continue to post some trades in the free group. Don't worry, don't worry. I'm not going to stop. Let me just, I'm adjusting the music on the video, so if you have questions, write me down. Don't worry. So now I think that if this is not a new impulse, we may see some retracement here. Boom, boom, boom. Cover me, I'm going in. Yeah, no, 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 no. Don't enter now. Wait. At this moment, guys, don't enter any trade. Neither buy nor sell. Wait. If we see a nice pushback here on this 5-minute trend line from this like order block here, because it was just in the opening of the New York session, so this thing is valid because it was on the opening of the New York session. If we see a pushback here, we might enter a buy position, sell position, excuse me. So listen carefully what I'm going to say right now. There are two possible scenarios right now. First is to see a nice pushback here from this order block in this trend line. Second one, which maybe is more possible because they're pushing the gold really hard right now, is to see a breakout, the price to grab the liquidity, but I don't know if it breaks here, it's not good for buy because it's still in the order book. Maybe if it breaks here, the best scenario is to break all these two tops, to return to test either in some of the order box right here, let's say, like also test on this trend line. It's a 5-minute trend line, and to start a new bullish movement. Other way around is to see a pushback from some of these zones right here, but where but if we see a pushback, we don't have to see a 5-minute candle above this trend line. So I don't understand why so many so many people are asking for excuse me just a second. Is it going to play us, huh? Let's see. But the dollar is falling. I think this is a manipulation, so let's wait. Don't do anything right now. This is emotional. Yeah, I hate days like this when the goat is making absolute nonsense. Yeah, there is still no confirmed movement, but I started to see some volumes maybe, but what to do, what to do? Ah, just a second. Guys, I don't know what there. It looks good for sell, but 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 it's from nowhere. Nowhere. I don't like it because it literally reposts that. Okay, so here is a 1-minute trend line. You can see. I guess it's still not ready, and he's playing with us. I think we should be patient. Market is tricky right now. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. He's playing games now. Is the absolutely the moment where the market tricks small players like us to get into trades and then hit their stop losses. Have in mind that it is Friday today. There are no news to push the market, so maybe now the price will get into some range, because if it wants to continue to go upwards, maybe we are now gonna see some, this in 1 hour, we are going to see some 4 or 5 candles more, and we're gonna see what is going to happen on Monday. But for now, I don't know, it's more like making an order block for buy position. Do you see it? Here it breaks the previous bottom and then breaks these tops right here, but this on 1 minute. So maybe if it wants to continue to go upwards, on 5 minutes it reaches this candle, but this is no, not good. It's a really big zone. I think if it's going to go up, it will reach maybe the center of this. Let's go with order block. Oh, guys, there is a huge delay. Have it in mind. I now watch what I'm doing on the other monitor, and there is a big delay. I don't know why. Maybe I have done something. I don't know. Let me check the edit. There was some. I don't know. I'll check it another time. So the group is continuing to grow. 1014 people. Absolutely amazing. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it now, because maybe I will do the live sessions here, because as you saw, TikTok, I don't know why it banned me. Not banned me, but I got a violation. I don't know, maybe something that I said, or I don't know why. But I got a webcam, so I can video my face, to show my face, to show me. And it is going to be good, because for the inner circle we're going to make webinars, and then there I will talk much about those kind of stuff: money management, emotions, feelings, and what to look, what not to look, and many other things that will help you and will make your trading successful, more successful than. So for now, guys, I don't think Woohoo! Some volume started to kick in, maybe, huh? Okay, there is another option now. And guys, let me show you. The other option is if, let me check the DXY. The DXY is not looking good at all. It leaves an order book. So maybe it will return to test it. That means that we can see a fall in the gold. But to where? Okay, let me erase some of these things. I wanted to tell you that now the other possibility is to see a breakout retest. As you may know, this is called order book, breaker book, and to see a new fall. But I start to lose hope that we're gonna have a nice trade formation setup, because the market is very slow, no volumes. I think they are trying still to push the price upwards. And again, I told you that I will try some sell, but of course it was before the New York session, so I thought to myself, it's better to wait, not to rush into trades, and the price made more than 100 pips. So the idea of all this is that today I don't like at all how I am looking at the chart, because I made two mistakes now, because the trade that I took here was not a mistake. They were just pushing the price. In any ways, I would have entered this here, but I made two mistakes which cost me more than 300 pips. Okay, I would not have, but why not? The buy position, there is no retracement at all. We would have waited for it to see what is going to make on the trend line. Whatever. What I'm trying to say is that some days, there are some days like that in order to make the right decision, we are making not right decision, but we would only know this after the price make some decision, make some movement. And now is again the boring part. News in about 18 minutes. Yeah. Thank you guys that you're staying in the live. Things get a little bit boring now because there are no movements at all. There are many, not so many, but there are many news after 16 minutes, but eventually there are not some kind of news that will have much impact on the market, but let's see. So are the zones you have marked order books or areas of interest? They're more like, okay, we can call them areas of interest. Because if you can see here, the price from the top started to make a retracement, like a second top, as a lower bottom. Then on the opening of the New York session, this is exactly 3 p.m. The price breaks the previous top and immediately started to go down. After that, but this guy here is on 1 minute. I don't recommend you trade on 1 minute, but in this case you can see lower low, lower high, lower low, breaking the previous highs. So this again is some zone like order book. GXY, oh yeah, they're pushing the GXY, so maybe, okay, let's see, maybe it will happen like something like this. Let's see, because I told you many times, we are trading what is happening on the market, not what we expect to happen. I also wish that the price made 200 pips fall in one candle, but it will happen when we are not in the trade. Don't worry. That's how market is working. Whoa, the market always chases my stop loss. Of course, of course. It's not only you, don't worry. Do you have do you happen to have a situation where your entry zone becomes uh, uh, just a second because I forgot forgot my words. Uh, when you enter a trade and literally the entry area, the entry level uh, becomes like a strong level of resistance. Yeah, that's what's the word, resistance. Every time the price reaches, and of course, when you're on drawdown, on loss, momentum loss, and the price reaches to go on break even and immediately retraces. It's super funny. It's like the market is watching us and makes us feel emotions that we didn't know exist. Oh, okay, guys. I think I'm bored to death, so I think we'll probably get enough with the life. Always then the emotions kick in, so I take a walk to go touch grass. Yeah, this is good. So, for now, let's make a quick analysis on this situation and to see what we can expect. What we can expect? Nothing. I'm just kidding. Okay, so at this moment, we may see a repulsion from this tiny order block. The other possibility is the price to break it, to retest it, and then to enter some short positions. Other way around, if we see a good formation like a pin bar or something from this area right here, and excuse me, the other way is to break the previous two tops, to test some of the areas here, and then to enter buy positions. You can see how much possibilities. That's why I don't like this situation, because there are much possibilities right now, because it's not like I entered very good before that here. When the price tests and make the candle, I entered here, but I was like, it's in the mid, it's just before the opening of the New York session, so it's better to wait. So the price made the 100 pips, and that's why I'm not pretty sure that I want to trade more today, because I made two mistakes today, and this is part of risk money and emotional management, to know where, when you can take a setback and relax and see what the next Monday will bring. Okay, there are 8 minutes. Let's wait to see if the news will have some impact on the price, but I'm a little bit skeptic. Oh, guys, there was no delay in the live. Excuse me. My YouTube was delayed with some seconds. Okay, so everything is good. So there are 8 minutes. Let's wait 8 minutes to see what is going to happen. And if we see some move or volumes, we might enter trade and leave it. Or we might decide to stop for today, which is also appropriate, because today the market is super shitty. That is my opinion. Yeah, I will wait 8 minutes, don't worry. Let me write in the group for the other that are not in the live. Guys, you have to know that now I'm a little bit, as you can see, protective. But if you join my inner circle, there we will be more aggressive. And like this moment, like where the price made 8 pips, we would have definitely closed a huge part of the trade, because if we start when we start the inner circle, we will chase money, not pips, because pips are good but money are important. So there we are going to chase money. So there would be times that we will get out with 30 pips, but we will take the whole profit, because it's better to protect 30 pips than to protect nothing and hit your stop loss on break even. Change the name inner circle might be confusing to some due to another ICT person. Aha. No, it would be a private group, don't worry. It would be with private link. So this group will stay VG Trader. And I will still post from time to time trades here. I will post some educational stuff on YouTube, but the main strategies and everything will be in the inner circle. I think that's fair, because I put much emotions, time, and everything in this thing, and it's not easy. It's not easy, but for now, I like it. So to have someone responsible, it's not easy. Even today, guys, I can be honest with you. Someone writes me on private and said, let's see what he told me. Your trade fails, and he forwarded me the sell, and I sent him that it hit my stop loss also, and he was not. And he was like, "You're not good trader. You're lucky." And I was like, "Okay, maybe you're right." And he, 5 minutes later, no, an hour and a half later, he write me, "Will gold reaches 240, 2,400 today?" And I was like, "You told me, you said I'm not a good trader. I don't know." So uh, it's funny, but it's not very. Uh, it's for me. Sometimes it's a little bit frustrating, because I'm super honest. I try to be super transparent, and when one trade, because this is part of trading, stop losses are part of trading. And when on one stop someone said that I'm not good trader, I get a little bit, not maybe frustrated is the word. That's not good with risk management. They just don't have management. Not sure has absolute. I talk much about this because people that start with trading should know that stop losses are part of trading. This is super normal. Even in business, we have some expenses that are inevitable. In trading, losses are inevitable. I talk much about this. I talk about this in the morning, yesterday, the day before that. If you stick to proper risk management, there is nothing that should bother you. Ah, guys, let me show you because let's see. Do you see it? Here is the guy, just as I told you, and he told me, appreciate your sell trade, nice setup, thanks. Okay. I actually like this one. I will tell him, thanks, man. Appreciate. Yeah, people get too emotional. That's right. That's right. And this is always a problem. Always a problem. Because when emotions kick in, we started to make bad decisions. It's same with love and everything around it. Let's see. Okay, let's see what the news will do now. Yeah, maybe absolutely nothing. Let's see what the news are. Okay, let me show you. Too positive, too negative. What should that speak to us? Absolutely nothing. Okay, we started to see, but those traders who get very emotional make the best TikTok videos for others to laugh. Yeah. Okay, guys, I think that for now we don't have anything. The news, maybe they will kick in after 6. I don't know. But for now, the market is super slow. You don't need to trade in this slow market, in such a slow market. Or when there is a range, you prefer to stay away from side movements, range, and things like that. Because it will get your nerves and nothing else. Okay, guys, I told you what you should look for, but in my opinion, if until 6:30, let's say 1 hour from now, or maximum 1 hour and a half, some volumes don't kick in, probably it's better to stay away from trading. It's Friday, enjoy, have a drink or whatever you like, and see you Monday, guys. And hope that we'll start Monday. Not hope, but I'm pretty sure that we're gonna start Monday with some nice trades. So thank you again for joining me here, and see you Monday, guys. Bye for now.